Welcome Junior Tuckies, my name is Mrs. Ramla. This video is on the section Animal Diversity. This is an exam question video and this question we're doing is question 3. Before you do the questions, make sure you watch the theory video, print the worksheet and have the memo with you at hand. Right, let's get down to the question. This question begins from 3.1 to 3.6 and is 12 marks. Right, the arrangement of body tissue becomes increasingly complex as animals become more evolved. This has allowed animals to develop different feeding strategies, and the diagram below shows tissue layers in animals. Use letters A and B to place the diagrams in their correct evolutionary sequence. A, we can see there's no coelom, and B has a coelom. So A is primitive and B is complex. So how do we write the sequence? A, and you put an arrow, and B. Right, that's 3.1. 3.2, name 2 animal phyla represented by B. So these are your complex organisms with a coelom. Here you could have mentioned any 2, Arthropoda, Chordata, or Annelida. Right. 3.3, provide labels for X and Y. X is the mesoderm, Y is the coelom. Right, as you can see in the memo. 3.4, describe 2 advantages of structure Y, which is the coelom. Let's look at the memo. The coelom allows for space for the internal organs to develop, separates the gut wall and the body wall, and allows these 2 walls to move independently or separately from each other. And the fluid in the coelomic cavity acts as a hydrostatic skeleton and allows for organisms to move. This is in the case of the annelids or earthworms. Right, question 3.5. Which of the organisms A or B is radially symmetrical? This will obviously be in a more primitive organism because complex organisms have bilateral symmetry. So here, the organism is organism A. And the last question, explain one advantage of an organism being radially symmetrical. Now, there's 2 possible answers. If the organism is radially symmetrical, that means the organism you know is sessile or stationary. And if it's radially symmetrical, the organism can get food from all directions because this organism cannot move, right? The other one is because the organism is stationary, this organism can react to danger and can actually face the danger and can protect itself. Right. Thank you for watching question 3. Join me and watch all my other exam questions as well.